If you have a terrible engine noise on your Audi A5, A6 that sounds something like this, when it should sound more like this, it will most likely be caused by a noisy tensioner and idler pulley, and in this video I'll show you how it can be easily changed. We can prove that it's the tensioner and idler by removing the belt and then running the engine for a short period of time, and the noise should go. With the belt removed, it's also worth spinning the pulleys by hand to see if any of the bearings are noisy. The tensioner is spring loaded. To remove the tension, use a 16mm spanner to release the tension and then remove the belt. You could use the pin out of the new unit to hold the tension off the tensioner. The easiest order to change is to change the idler first. This has a spline drive. Pop off the cap and then just using the attachment seen and a 10mm spanner you will be able to access the idler bolt. Now that's removed, it's time to remove the tensioner. The bolt for the tensioner is just behind the alternator at the back, which you can see here. It is a 13mm bolt. I used a ratchet spanner to release this bolt. You may find an alternative method. Now that the bolt is loose, it's just a case of just removing the tensioner from the front, which slides to the right and then pops out like so. Now with the pin in situ, the new tensioner can be refitted. Then all that remains to do is refit the idler and the belt. And once it is rebuilt, it should sound good as new, like so. So, let me know how you got on with the job and if you had any difficulties. Thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, here's some more great videos that may help you with future problems. Like this TDI timing belt replacement.